Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. So finally Nifty enters in between 14,800 to 15,200 zone. So for now, if it sustain above 14,800, then most likely it move for uptrend till 15,200 with huge volatility. Otherwise, below 14,650 it will comes down for 14,000 to 14,200 for a reverse. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally, Nifty sustained above 14,800. So for now, as per chart confirmation, it's most likely sustained in between 14,800 to 15,200 with support of 14,650. Otherwise, again, if it breaks 14,650, then it will comes down to 14,000 for reverse. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed above 35,000. So for now, above 34,800 to 35,200, it will try to move for 36,000 to 37,000 zone. Otherwise, below 34,800, it will reverse from 33,500 again. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty above 35,000. So for now, as per present scenario, if Bank Nifty sustain above 34,800 to 35,200, then most likely it will try for 36,200 to 800 zone. Otherwise, below 34,800, it will 33 reverse from 33,500 again. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index are. That's are. For Nifty future, there is a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 15,250. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances that are 15,000 and 15,189. There is a crucial support for Nifty future also that 14,650. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports that are 14,780 and 14,700. Same as for Bank Nifty future also, there is a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future that 36,500. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances that are 35,789 and 36,120. There is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also that 34,000. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports that are 34,800 and 34,289. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support as reversal support. Kotak Bank, that LTP is 1910. Its upper range or upper resistance is 2020 and lower range is 1850. So if it sustains above its midpoint that 1900 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its higher resistance or upper range that 2020. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint that 1900 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its lower range or lower reversal support that 1850. And when it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Red star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. Kotak Bank, that LTP is 1910. Adani Green, that LTP is 1078. Adani Ports, that LTP is 568. Coal India, that LTP is 143. LTTS, that LTP is 2618. Dalmia Bharat, that LTP is 1268. IRCTC, that LTP is 1518. LIC Housing Finance, that LTP is 452. Lalpath Lab, that LTP is 2477. Polycab, that LTP is 1319. Reliance, that LTP is 1924. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID, or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Thank you. Please like